What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of TrueFree T3 earbuds. So we'll talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. On the retail box of TrueFree T3, you will find few of the hardware specs and features mentioned on front and back side. Inside the retail box, you will find a USB Type-C cable, pair of TrueFree T3 earbuds, the charging case, and a user manual. Talking about the design and build quality, the very first thing that you will notice is the bright orange color and the transparent shell of the TrueFree T3 that is heavily inspired by Nothing earbuds. Because of the transparent design, you can see the internal components of the T3, and the combination of the bright orange color makes it quite eye-catching. Each unit of the TrueFree T3 weighs just 3.5 grams, so they are very lightweight, and because of that pretty comfortable to wear as well. It comes with a semi-in-ear design, but because of the lightweight body and the good weight displacement, it fits perfectly in your ear and does not come out of it easily. TrueFree T3 also comes with IPX4 certifications, so it can survive a bit of sweat and little splash of water, so you do not need to worry about using them in outdoors when it's raining. The touchpad is quite big and it comes with slight indentation that provides a very nice tap experience when you use the touch controls on these earbuds. Talking about the case, it is also inspired by the design of Nothing earbuds, and it also comes with a transparent shell. Just like the earbuds, it also sports the bright orange color. The top is transparent that allows you to see inside the case. We got a USB Type-C charging port and an LED indicator showing the battery status of the earbuds as well as of the case. It does not come with the wireless charging capability, but it is pretty small in size and it weighs just a bit more than 35 grams. Overall, the design and build quality of TrueFree T3 is quite impressive in its price segment, and because of kind of unique transparent shell and bright orange color, it looks unique and eye-catching for sure. Talking about the audio quality, the TrueFree T3 comes with pretty balanced audio profile. It lacks a bit of bass, and the overall audio profile is more on the high frequency oriented, but still you get a nice listening experience. Especially the vocals and high pitch instruments like electric guitar provide a very good audio output on TrueFree T3, but if you are a bass head, you won't be that much happy with the performance of this device. But of course you can make some changes using the equalizer of your music player. Since we are talking about the equalizer, let me tell you that TrueFree T3 does not come with any kind of dedicated smartphone application, so you will have to rely on the equalizer settings of your music player, and due to the lack of smartphone app, you cannot make changes to the touch controls assigned to TrueFree T3. Fortunately, it comes with lots of options pre-built for touch commands, and you will be able to use them to perform different kinds of activities without facing any issue. The touch controls are nice and they work every single time perfectly. TrueFree T3 does not come with autoplay pause function as well. Talking about the call quality, it comes with 4 microphones with AI ambient noise reduction, and because of that the call quality is pretty solid considering the price segment of the device. It also comes with a dedicated gaming mode that improves the latency of TrueFree T3 to get the smooth and fast audio transfer when you're playing games on your smartphones or watching movies on your computer. Now talking about the battery life, this is the most impressive thing about the TrueFree T3, as it provides up to 7 hours of battery life in one single charge, and with the provided charging case you can charge the TrueFree T3 3 more times, so you can get around 24 hours of battery life in one overall charge easily. Overall, TrueFree T3 is a pretty solid earbuds in its price segment, considering its build quality, unique eye-catching design, great battery life, impressive call quality, and balanced audio profile. Few things it is missing here are the wireless charging, no active noise cancellation, and no smartphone app. But considering the price segment of this earbuds, it is totally justified. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.